We have 10 seconds. Naku ha? Wala yatang dadaig sa 10 seconds na yan. Pero kayo magbibeat sa 10 seconds. What is your name, dear? Okay, are you ready for the longest greeting?
Yeah.
Okay, in 1, 2, 3, come on.
Happy birthday, Kuya Lai.
Alright, nakailang minuto?
20 minuto.
Alright. Segundo pala, no? 10 seconds. Alright, thank you, dear. Proceed at the back. Okay, next. How are you? What's your name?
Mary.
What is your message for Jamie Line? Happy birthday. Okay, do the longest greeting. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Jamie Lan.
Alright, nakailang minute? Nakailang segundo? 8 seconds. Okay, thank you. Proceed at the back. Okay, dear. What's your name? Rochelle. Okay, how are you? You're good. Where do you live? Okay. Philippines pala. Saan sa Philippines? Ay, alam niyo, no? Okay. Are you ready for the longest greeting? Okay, in 1, 2, 3, go on.
Happy birthday, Jamie Lan.
Alright, kailang segundo? 6 seconds. Okay, how about you? What's your name?
Yeah.
Liam.